Good morning. Welcome to your Feel Good seated morning yoga stretch. We begin our practice in a cross-legged seat. Feel free to sit on a folded blanket, couch cushion, or a pillow. I invite you to place your left hand on your heart space and your right hand on your belly. Relax your shoulders down, drawing your shoulder blades closer together. Explore a gentle tuck of your chin as you look down and past your nose. Breathe in through your nose. Breathe out through your mouth. As you breathe in, notice where you feel the breath moving your body. Breathe out through your mouth. Breathe in, perhaps inviting a deeper and more buoyant breath. Breathe out with a sigh. I invite you to say in your head or out loud, "Today is a great day." Today is a great day. Just one positive and loving thought first thing in the morning can change your entire day, your mood, as well as your energy level. So even if today just doesn't feel like a good morning, I still invite you to say to yourself, "Today is a great day." Breathe in. Breathe out. Interlace your fingers out in front. Push your palms forward, stretching through your arms, especially your wrists and your forearms. Take a breath in here, and then breathe out. On your next breath in, keep the bind with your hands as you reach your hands towards the sky, finding length throughout your torso. Hug your belly button in slightly as you take a breath in, and then breathe out. Slowly tilt towards the left side. Stay grounded in your right hip as you find some baby pulses, feeling the movement taking place in your rib cage. Breathe in. Breathe out to make your way back through center, and then tilt your upper body to the right. Once again, find some baby pulses here. Breathe in. Breathe out to make your way back to center. Really reach your hands towards the sky. Yawn if that feels good. Breathe in. Breathe out to release the bind with your hands, and then begin to wiggle your fingers down to your sides. With your hands on the earth, place your feet out in front. Walk the soles of your feet together, and then allow your knees to fall open like a book. Play around with the space between your heels and your body until you find a place that offers a gentle stretch to your hips and the insides of your thighs. Gently place your hands on your ankles, loop your shoulders, and then begin to draw some slow, small circles with your nose. Be mindful of your breath as you explore these neck rolls. I invite you to draw your head back over your heart space. Take a breath in here, lengthening through your back body. And as you breathe out, start with hugging your belly button and your low ribs in towards your spine, and then round through your back body. Bow your head. Breathe into your upper back, shoulder blades, and the back of your neck. Let's breathe in together. And as you breathe out, grow tall through your spine. Place your fingertips on the outer edges of your thighs. Draw your legs together, and then send your legs out long on your mat. Place your fingertips on your mat to offer support. Now, create some space between your feet so that way they are hip distance apart. Point through your feet to stretch the tops of your feet and your ankles. Now, flex through your feet, pointing your toes upwards, and spread through your toes. Perhaps you feel a sweet stretch throughout the soles of your feet and into each calf muscle. Beautiful. Relax your feet. Explore a generous bend in your knees. As you breathe in, spread through your fingers and then reach your hands towards the sky. On your breath out, fold forward, releasing your hands to your shins, ankles, or your feet. Bow your head as you go inward. Listen to the sound of your breath for a few cycles of breath. Breathe in. Breathe out. Very slowly begin to roll up through your spine. Cross at your ankles as you return to a cross-legged seat. On your next breath in, take up space as you send your hands to the sky, spread through your fingers. As you breathe out, move from center as you explore a spinal twist to your right. Release your left hand to your right knee or your thigh, and your right fingertips to the ground or to your right shoulder. Breathe in. Breathe out to direct your focus past your right shoulder. If you are practicing first thing in the morning, please be gentle with this twist. Use your breath to guide you into this twist, as opposed to using your hands to force you into the spinal twist. Soften through your fingers as you direct your breath down to your belly. On your next breath in, reach both hands to the sky, look forward. And then on your breath out, explore a gentle spinal twist to your left. Breathe in to explore length through your spinal chain. Lift your heart. Breathe out to look past your left shoulder. Once again, I invite you to play around with directing your breath to your lower belly, as this can offer low back tension relief. As you breathe in, float both hands to the sky, facing forward. As you breathe out, release your hands to the tops of your thighs, with your palms facing up. Roll your shoulders forward, up and back a few times. Now, tick-tock your head from side to side. Soften through your jaw. Explore stillness as you align your head over your heart and your heart over your pelvis. I invite you to look down and past your nose, or you can close your eyes. Breathe in. Breathe out. Notice how you feel. I invite you to repeat the following in your head or out loud. Today is a great day. Today is a great day. I invite you to take the deepest breath that you've taken in all day and breathe out through your mouth. Let it all go. Thank you for joining me on the mat this morning. Sending lots of love to you. An invitation to close our practice by saying Namaste.